Hi, today I'm for the OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application, then scroll down to additional settings, tap down to screen recording, and you'll see here sound section. So just when these two switchers they are turned off, this means that you'll record only the mute videos. If you want to use, for example, the system sounds, tap on the switcher to activate this option. If you want to use the microphone to comment something, you should also use the switcher. So you could use these options together or separately by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.